Hey everyone, today we're exploring the buzz around a so called Japanese pink salt recipe trick for weight loss, a natural remedy that claims to help people shed 10 to 15 pounds easily. But does it really work, or is it just another weight loss scam? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer: this review is based on research and personal opinion. It's not a medical advice, so always consult a healthcare professional before trying new diets or supplements. Also, a lot of you guys are asking how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. The idea behind the Japanese pink salt recipe is that this special salt can boost metabolism and improve digestion, supporting natural weight loss. While pink salt does contain some minerals, there's no scientific evidence proving it alone causes significant weight loss. Successful, lasting weight loss always comes down to a few key factors: balanced diet with plenty of protein, veggies, and whole grains, regular exercise you actually enjoy, consistency and realistic goals for gradual progress, taking care of your mental health to avoid emotional eating. Many weight loss success stories from celebrities like Adele, Rebel Wilson, and Chris Pratt highlight the importance of these healthy lifestyle habits rather than relying on a single miracle ingredient. So, for the final verdict, is the Japanese pink salt recipe a scam? Not exactly, but it's not a magic bullet either. It might be a harmless addition to your diet, but don't expect it to melt away pounds without the basics: healthy eating, exercise, and consistency. Thanks for watching. Have you tried this or any similar tricks? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and wellness tips. Stay healthy and smart out there.